In this video, we're going to talk about Kittl's biggest update ever, a refreshed brand, powerful new tools, and exciting features like real-time collaboration. Now, you might have already checked out our announcement video, and if not, you can check that out up here in the cards. It's pretty quick, won't take you long to check that out. But with our time together, I want to talk about what this refresh means, how we got here, show you some amazing new features that we just launched, and talk about what's coming next. And if you're new here or just discovering Kittl, what a great time for you to join the crew. My name is Drew. I run the production team here at Kittl, and I'm responsible for making sure you know how to use Kittl to the fullest, including all of our videos up on the YouTube channel. Now, we also posted a blog about this exact subject, which I will link down in the description for you to read as the direct message from our founder, Tobias Saul. But I am going to cover pretty much all of that here in this video as well. Now, the entire Kittl team has always been driven by a singular mission, which is to redefine graphic design. And that redefining means making complex designing much more easy to achieve with better processes and workflows to help you do your job. And this isn't just a vague business or mission statement. It's seriously a deeply personal promise. From the very beginning, like way before we were even Kittl, we were building something for designers by designers. I covered some of this history in our monotype partnership video, which if you haven't seen that, definitely check that out here in the cards, but I'll cover some of that history now as well. So the actual idea for Kittl started with frustration, a feeling many of you know super well. There seems to be this endless juggling of tools that don't really talk to each other, so you use one thing for inspiration, another thing to find your illustrations and icons, then you use this tool over here to vectorize your design, then you use a different tool to make a presentation with something else, and then to get feedback you need something else. Yeah, that sounds super frustrating. When our founder, Tobias, was working as a professional graphic and type designer, he was losing hours managing all of these subscriptions I just described, switching between programs, trying to collect feedback, where to store that feedback before all of these ever-approaching deadlines come near. And that's kind of a creative flow killer. Now, as a team, we've heard this same exact story from designers all over the world. Freelancers, small business owners, creative directors, marketers, agencies, so on. So we knew there had to be a better way because the design process and the design tools shouldn't feel like obstacles or hurdles to get over in order to reach the finish line. So it is true that Kittl was born from this frustration, but more importantly, it was born from a love for design. We wanted to create something that would make designers' lives easier and not just make another subscription that you have to manage. We made a platform that respects your craft and understands the realities of your work. And so we're proud to give you the most significant update in Kittl's history, a solution that has been built not only for your needs, but for your dreams.
Have you ever had a dream that
I'm talking about those features and workflows that you've been wishing for, I have been wishing for. So let's move into some of those exciting features that you've been waiting for and I've been dying to show you. First and foremost would be real-time collaboration. That's right. We believe the future of design is collaborative. Now, whether you're part of a big design team or you're just a freelancer working with clients, you know that creativity doesn't happen in isolation, or at least it shouldn't. So the project is going to be shaped by the people around you, and maybe that's other creative people working with you. Maybe that's a collaborator and or multiple decision makers who influence every part of the project. And that's why real-time collaboration is at the heart of this major announcement. For the first time, you can design alongside your team in the same project in real time. You can edit together, you can leave comments, you can leave notes, you can share feedback with each other and make changes instantly. This collaboration element will bring alignment, it'll bring clarity and a larger sense of creativity into every step of the design process because everything is in one place. Now, we also released and have been releasing a full suite of advanced features to Kittl to help you finish your projects. Now, some of you might have seen these already if you've been following along with us for a while, and some you've probably been waiting for us to talk about. First up is the Shape Builder tool. Now, with this tool, you can merge or subtract multiple vector shapes to create new shapes together. Other tools might refer to this as like a pathfinder tool, or they might call it a merging or a welding tool. They're all the same thing. That's what the Shape Builder tool is. Vector editing is another major feature for Kittl, where you can customize vector shapes by editing their anchor points and their handles, giving you way more control over what kind of element or illustration or shape that you need. The feature that I was probably most excited for is rulers and guides. Now you can set up design layouts in alignment by adding guides from our new ruler bars. With the rulers and guides, you can create full-length documents now, like workbooks, maybe a novel you're working on, whatever you want. And in a similar fashion, two exciting formatting features are margins and bleed settings. In your project now, you can define and modify margins for your print or your digital layouts, and then you can customize them to the exact sizing you want for each part of the document. With the bleed settings, you can prepare those super high stakes files seamlessly for your print production without having to worry whether your exported file is the right size or if it has bleed. All of that, everything I just said, you can try out in Kittl. And if you don't have an account yet, use that link down in the description to get started for free. Okay, we have more. We have more amazing updates to go. And some of those are related to AI and our AI capability. First of which is that we launched Flux as a new model, which you can use with Kittl AI, and oh my gosh, it is way more powerful than anything I've seen before, at least what we've done yet, yielding a ton of amazing results that are way more accurate, including art with words in it. Like the words are spelled correctly, the consistency of the letters is way better, they look like they go together, and it's just amazing. You need to go try it. We also have a feature called Image Restyle, where you can upload or select an image or a design or whatever you want in Kittl, and then you can tell our AI to reimagine it in a different style, which is extremely helpful for not only ideation, but it's just a massive time saver when you're trying to get that perfect visual. And if you haven't tried our sets generator yet, I would highly encourage you to do so, because you can give our AI multiple prompts at one time. And then what it's going to do is take those prompts and give you images in a set that is exactly the same style. Now, there's even more features on the way, like being able to flatten text, a custom color palette generator, advanced masking, and of course, rich text editing, which will be added to the editor super soon if you don't see them already. Throughout 2024, we kept returning to this thought. Only a designer can truly understand the needs of another designer, and I'm pretty sure that's true. Kittl isn't some outsider that's just looking in as a business to try to get you to take on another subscription. Kittl was built by people. Us, we've lived through the same challenges, felt the same frustrations, and we've dreamed about the same solutions. Like I promise you, we've been dreaming for things like this. Every tool we release, every feature we build is all in direct response to what we've learned from you and what we've learned through our own creative process as designers. And sure, yeah, we released some AI features, but this isn't about replacing designers with AI or trying to cut corners. It's about giving you tools that enhance your creativity, not try to compromise or box it in. So this is the start of something way bigger than Kittl. I mean, you could look at our partnerships to get an idea for that. We want to bring the joy back into the design process. We're building a platform where your creativity can really thrive. We want your vision to take the center stage, and we want the collaboration to fuel more innovation. So we built Kittl for you, and truly, we're just getting started. So right now, I want to invite you to explore the brand new Kittl. Try out real-time collaboration, experiment with all of the new tools I talked about, share your feedback with us, and most importantly, have fun designing. Now, after you do, come back and comment on this video with your favorite new feature and any future features that you want to see. You can also check out our feature request board to upvote or add more. Now, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel down there below if you haven't already. We just passed 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. We're just getting started with what we're capable of, so you don't want to miss our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.